Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this stunning particle blur effects in the CapCut PC. So you can start by adding photos into your CapCut PC. So I'm going to drag these 4 photos into the timeline like this. And here you can see all of the photo has the same situations. And now let's add the particle blur effect. So add 2 effects, and here click on the video effects, go to the opening and closing and find the particle blur effect. So let's scroll down, or you can just find it here to make it quicker. Okay, so this one, the particle blur. So let's just drag it to the edits like this, adjust the durations, and now you can here adjust the blur to your liking. I'm going to go with around 75, and let's copy and paste this effects. So just move it in here and then paste again and move it to all of the photos. So now the effects will go like this. And now for the transition, I'm going to add transition. So go to the transitions and then find the flashbang effects. Type in flash, enter. Okay, let's find, okay, this one, the flashbang. Click on download first and then click on plus icon, and here I'm going to make it apply to all of the photos. So now the edits will look like this with the particle blur effects. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.